Hello everyone! This video is a step-by-step tutorial on creating a computer desk model and its production drawings. So we are going to use the latest version of SketchUp 2021 to help us with it. The template woodworking suits us perfectly. Measurement units are millimeters. Once we have started, we save the document and proceed to the preparatory stage. First, we need to create layers or tags. The number of layers depends on facilitator of drawing creation for a cabinet maker and a welder. Let's create two layers, wood and the metal. We choose the layer wood by clicking on it and start with making a desktop. The dimensions of the largest piece of furniture go first. For convenience, we change the view to the top view. Select the rectangle tool and set the dimensions to 1200 mm by 600 mm, separated by semicolons, and press Enter. Then select the rectangle and create a group. Now let's set the thickness of the desktop. Use the Push-Pull tool by setting the value to 40 mm and press Enter. The height of the table is 750 mm, so we raise it to that height. Let's use the tape measure tool and set the guideline to a height of 750 mm. Then, using the Move tool, we raise the desktop to the guideline. We no longer need the guide, so we remove it. For convenience, fill the desktop with a wooden texture. Use the Paint Basket tool for it. The desktop is ready.